Welcome to Stone Hands, to the hands of stone. 3 powerful breathing exercises for your vocals, for the clarity of speech. Yes, when we are obsessed about voice, we tend to do voice exercises, we tend to speak more, but are the foundations okay? Are the foundations solid? Are we able to breathe in with a full body? And are we able to speak and to sing from our belly, from our stomach? Most people, no. Most people have vague voice, that they are somehow tender, they are somehow too soft, they run out of breath. But if you knew, there's a solid exercise to make you a master of voice if you do it every day. Okay, once in a week is also good enough. And the exercise, the first one, is as follows. The breath of fire. It comes from the tradition of Kundalini Yogi. Maybe you've seen a dog who is hot, is just breathing. Yeah? But if you breathe with your nose and you mimic the dog, you can put your hands on your belly so you can feel where the breath is going out. And when you exhale out, you use your muscles. And when you inhale, it just happens automatically, normally, just like a dog. And you can do the exercise for a minute. And when you are advanced, 3 minutes, like this. And when you end the exercise, then exhale, pull out, and hold. And then inhale and hold. Make your muscles tense. This is one great exercise to find the stamina, the vocal stamina, that your breath is holding you strong and giving you a sense of purpose. So the second exercise is the RPTK. It's simple one. And make sure your voice comes from your diaphragm. The diaphragm is empowering you. So the breath is coming from your diaphragm. Yeah? And the third exercise, a simple one also, is finding your power move. You're like a superhero, but now you're throwing your golden ball of fire around. Ho! Ho! Ha! Ho! And you throw it at things. Oh! Ho! Ho! Ha! And it will give power to your diaphragm. And don't overstrain your voice. Be careful with the voice, but try to do it soft and fast in the beginning. Like ho! Ha! Like this quick, like assassin. Ho! 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 Like hey! Hey! Hoo! 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 And it will give a lot of power to your breath, and it will give a lot of stamina. I hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Bye.